This video will show how to create consignment directly from the sales order card when using LogTrade Connect in Dynamics 365 Business Central. I will show a few examples and also how to release the consignments to the shipping agent afterwards. On the data queue released sales orders until today, you can see a list of all orders that should be shipped until today. I will start by shipping order 1091 to the Canada group. Since I am on the sales order and I will do a full delivery, I don't have to update quantity to ship since it's filled in by default. I scroll down to the Delivery Fast tab and here I register the number of packages for this consignment. Based on settings, the package type is filled in and the weight is calculated, so I only have to click Create and Print Consignment in the menu. Now the label and waybill will be printed on the print queue that has been set up for this user, but I show them on the screen here so you can see them. After printing the consignment, I need to post the order. I do that by clicking Posting, Post and Send, and I will send the print to PDF. In this case, I will do Ship and Invoice, so I will get both a delivery note and an invoice. I show them here on the screen as PDFs. This time I will ship order 1092. This shipping agent service is set up to automatically calculate and invoice the freight cost with an additional margin of 15% to the customer. The settings also default the consignment line with one box, so I don't even have to fill in the number of packages on the Delivery tab. I can go directly to Create and Print Consignment in the menu. Now the label will be printed just as before. Back on the order, we can see that I got a new line called Freight Cost. This is a calculated freight cost for this consignment with an additional margin of 15%, and that is based on settings that I have done before. You can also see that I have already got the package tracking number back on the order. Now I need to post the order, so I go to Posting, Post and Send, and save it as a PDF. I do Ship and Invoice, so I get both a delivery note and an invoice. Depending on settings, the consignments are now prepared or released. If your settings are to release the consignments right away, you don't need to do anything more. But if the consignments are prepared, you need to release them before the shipping agent should pick them up. This is to make sure that when they scan the packages, they will also find them in their system, since they get their electronic information when the consignments are released. The release process is done from the consignment worksheet. You can search for it, of course, or you can open it by clicking Delivery, Consignments, and then on the button Consignment Worksheet. This will show you all consignments until today that is not yet released. Make sure you filter on Status Prepared. You can release all consignments at once, or just for a specific shipping agent if you filter on that one. Just click Change Status and keep the action on Release. Now you'll get a manifest list, unless you have turned that off in the settings in LogTrade. You can choose a print queue that it will be printed on here. This is an example of a manifest list.